In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a credit card from your Shopify billing. And this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to manage your payment information safely and easily. First, open your Shopify admin and go to the settings section at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Plan. Next, click on Cancel Trial or Manage Plan, depending on what you see. You'll see several options that help you review your billing and payment details. Once you've completed these steps, read all the information carefully in the pop-up window that appears. After that, click Continue to confirm, and your credit card will be successfully removed from your Shopify account without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to safely remove your credit card from Shopify billing quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?